both things will be taught to you parallelly. KCL and here KVL. Now KCL and KVL. Here summation of current is equal to 0, means a current entering I entering plus I leaving is equal to 0. Summation of I entering and summation of current leaving is equal to 0. At node in a electrical circuit, you can see this is R1, R2 and R3. This may be V2, this may be V1. This is the node. These are the current flowing directions. Let it be I1, let it be I2 and let it be I3. Here the I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 as per KVL. This I have explained you with the help of diagram because it is easy to understand with the help of diagram. Just go through the directions. I1 is entering, I2 is also entering, but I3 is leaving the node. That's why I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 as per these equations. Now also you can say that law of conservation of electric charge. The charge cannot accumulate at any node. What comes in will comes out. That is, what goes in will be what goes out. This is concerned as per the node, and you will be getting this through KCL, the Kirchhoff's current law. Now you will be going through KVL. KVL is applied around a closed loop. What KVL is? Now I will be showing it with the help of diagram only. This is nothing but a small circuit diagram where you will be seeing this is the voltage. These both are I1 and I2. I1 and I2 are nothing but the two loop currents or mesh loop currents where the KVL is applied. The KVL is nothing but summation of voltage rise plus summation of voltage drops is equal to 0. Summation of V equal to 0. Voltage rise and voltage drops. Here the current direction or loop current direction will be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise as per assumption of problem solver, or you can also assume as per your sake of simplicity. But when you go through solving this kind of questions, you will be getting some answers in negative. Means if you get the I1 as negative and I2 as positive, you can say the positive answers are indicating that your assumptions were correct. Your assumptions were correct. Assumptions are correct. And here, if your assumption goes wrong, the negative current in amperes will be getting as answer for wrong assumptions. Wrong assumptions. So summation of sum of changes in potential, voltage rise and voltage drop around any closed circuit in must be zero. The sign conventions, we will be going through few sign conventions. When you are choosing the direction, the rise in voltage means when you are going through positive to negative, means negative to positive. Here if you are going from negative to positive, when you are traveling from negative to positive, you will be taking it as positive voltage rise, and when you are traveling from in this way negative to positive, you will be getting negative voltage, means that is voltage drop. For sign conventions it is very important. And also when you are taking this I1 into R1 drop, when you are taking this I1 into R1 drop in clockwise manner, or as per your assumptions in a clockwise manner, then you have to take it as negative signed drop minus I1 into R1. And when you are going against your assumption, it will be drop will be I2 plus I2 into R2. These are nothing but the sign conventions. And also, as we have explained here in KCL also, the sign conventions are I entering at a node are usually taken as positive. Here the entering current will be always positive and leaving current will always be negative. Sign conventions. The short note regarding these sign conventions will be provided by me in very detail, because many of you make the smaller or silly mistakes due to this, and you lost all the marks in exam. That's why, as per the students review or students doubt, I have come across that the sign notifications or sign conventions are very important while solving any kind of KCL or KVL problem. Now we will be ending our session by KCL KVL, because already we have covered all the unit 2 syllabus in DC circuit, as we have gone through various kind of types of elements, active elements, passive elements, unilateral, bilateral, or you can say linear, non-linear. And even you have gone through basic Ohm's law, even you have gone through the series parallel resistance and everything. Now everything has been covered. Now only the thing is that for KCL you should remember one thing, law of conservation of electric charge, and in KVL you remember it is the law of conservation of energy. Means you will be asked this in exam, the comparison between KCL and KVL. I will be giving you in that PPT also, but still you remember this thing. This is the law of conservation of electric charge or charges, you can say. This is nothing but law of conservation of electrical energy. Just keep this in mind because many times it has been asked in exam. If you are going through your assumptions, you will be taking this drop as negative. When you are going the current against your assumption, it will be plus I2 here. You can see I1 minus I2 into R3 as per your sign conventions. It will be easy to understand. Thank you.